error detection techniques. First of all, errors will occur during the transmission of data in the communication medium. The reason for occurrence of errors is the noise in the communication channels. The probability of occurring errors when the data is inside the computer is far less than the probability of occurring the errors during the communication or when the data is transmitted through the channel. If the channel is the wireless medium, the probability is much higher than the communication through a fiber optic channel. So different techniques are designed for transmission of data at different speeds to reduce the amount of errors that are occurring. We can classify the errors into different types. The first one is single bit errors. These errors do occur in channels where the probability of occurring the error is far less. The second type of errors is burst errors, and the burst errors occurs in most of the cases in wireless channels, and one of the measure for burst errors is the error length. It is defined as the number of bits between the first and the last error bits that occur in the data. Then how to detect the error is if we include redundancy into the data bits, the errors can be detected, and there must be a relationship between the redundant bits and the data bits. If we transmit only the data bits, it is difficult or it is impossible to detect the errors. The simple case of detecting the errors is adding one bit, which is known as a parity bit, to the data, and in this case we add 1 meter for the data, and this bit can be either even or odd parity. So irrespective of whether it is even parity or odd parity, the number of errors that can be detected is only 1 bit errors, or it may be the odd number of bit errors. So in this method we cannot detect 2 or more bit errors. To detect 2 or more bits of errors, we have to include more number of parity bits. There are 2 methods. You organize the data in the form of a table and add redundancy in the form of vertical as well as horizontal columns, vertical columns as well as horizontal rows. So depends upon the position of the data bit error, we can identify depends on the position of the parity bit where the data has error has occurred, we can identify the error. Then another method of error detection is checksum. Checksum is used normally by upper protocol layers, that means data link layer or transport layer. In most of these cases, one's complement arithmetic is used, and this is a powerful error detection scheme, and this scheme uses a binary division and can be easily implemented in hardware using shift registers and exclusive OR gates. This method is known as a cyclic redundancy check, where the entire data bits is treated as a binary polynomial. Here the mathematical interpretation is that the message is treated as a polynomial which is referenced as m of x, and we use a different polynomial what is known as a generated polynomial known as p of x. Then we calculate the value of f of x by p of x equal to q of x plus 0 by p of x. So this is if there are no errors that are occurring. So the detailed algorithm is as follows. First one is multiply m of x, that is the data polynomial, by x to the power of n. Second step, divide x to the power of n into m of x by p of x, where p of x is a different polynomial. Third, ignore the quotient and keep the remainder c of x after the second step. Fourth, form and send f of x equal to x to the power of n into m of x plus c of x. That means we add the remainder to the polynomial obtained in the first step. This is done at the sending side, and at the receiving side we receive f of x plus the errors. So put together we call this as f dash x. Now we divide the f dash x by the same polynomial p of x which was available at the sending side. Except the remainder, except if the remainder is 0. If the remainder is non-zero, then we conclude that there are some errors. We do have different standards for p of x. One is CRC 12, another one is CRC 16, yet another one is CRC CCI TT. The last one is CRC 32. Thank you. మేడం ఎక్కడ బాబు ఇది ఆఫ్ చేయడానికి